Hello and welcome to What's Brewing with the Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce, where, like a good cup of coffee, these events will help network, grow your business, and give you valuable business information. So grab your planner and let's see what you'll attend. The Wood County Safety Council will hold their monthly meeting, and they're participating in National Manufacturing Day at the middle school. Our Lunch and Learn on diversity and inclusion in our community and the workplace will be held. And National Women's Small Business Month. Engage with us on Facebook so that you can recognize individuals in our community who represent that. Freddie and Frida can be at your business after hours event. Every time you attend a chamber event, be sure to put in your entry to win that valuable prize. And the Bowling Green Community Holiday Parade will be featured in November. Our theme will be Polar Express. Next stop, Bowling Green. So be sure to get details on all of these events from either your Monday reminders or the monthly calendar. Grab your coffee and head out the door to important Bowling Green Chamber events.